Red color. Once upon a time in a vibrant kingdom, where every color had its own magical power, lived 10 extraordinary creatures. Red was the color of courage, embodied by a brave red dragon named Ruby, with scales that sparkled like precious gemstones. Ruby was always ready to protect the kingdom. Blue color. Then there was Blue for wisdom, who manifested as an owl named Azure. His feathers mirrored the deep blue ocean, and he was a fountain of knowledge for all. Yellow color. Yellow was the whimsical Sunny, a cheerful bird whose joy was as warm as the sun shining in the sky. She filled the kingdom with happiness wherever she flew. Green color. Green symbolized growth, and Fern, the lively frog, embraced this color. Fern hopped merrily around the lush forests, spreading life and hope. Orange color. Orange was the unique color of creativity, carried by Amber, a clever fox whose brilliance matched the fiery sunsets. Teal color. Teal, representing tranquility, enveloped Wave the dolphin. Her serene presence calmed even the roughest stormy seas. White color. Lastly, there was White for purity, embodied by Snow the dove. Her feathers were as pure as freshly fallen snow, instilling peace in every heart she touched. Purple color. Purple was a mystical unicorn named Amethyst, who possessed the color of magic. With her luminous mane, she enchanted everyone she met. Rainbow color. Employing all their unique powers, they overcame each obstacle and slowly uncovered the missing colors of the rainbow. Once restored, the rainbow was whole again, arching over the kingdom, a magnificent masterpiece of mutual effort and friendship. They realized that their diverse gifts were even more powerful when combined.